Today we are cooking lamb chops in the Ooni Koda 12 and the Ninja Woodfire. It's a cook-off, it's real time, makes it more fun and challenging, so if things go wrong, they go wrong in real time. If things go right, then yay, I've done it. I've put it to max roast. I know that looks quite sparse, but halfway through I'm going to be putting some potatoes and carrots around it. They've already been mostly boiled, so they won't need much of a cook. It's just nice to get them a bit cooked in the oven with the lamb. The same with the Koda 12. I've got my cast iron pan in there. I'm going to warm that up. As soon as I've done that, I'll be adding the lamb chops to that too. So let's do it. I just want to warm that pan up for a very short period of time. Doesn't need much. The stone about 190 degrees Celsius, just to show you where my already cooked potatoes and carrots are. They're waiting, and I have all my lamb chops waiting, ready to go. Might not need it, there's so much like fat on there, but I'm following the instructions recipe books which recommend that, so I'm doing it. Now I need to get this into the oven for the first part of the cook. So I'm just going to check the temperature. No, it needs to go up. I'm glad I checked that. And then I'm going to do the time. I'll do it for 3 minutes, and then I'll put the potatoes and carrots in. Put it in now. Oof, I did put the wood fire thing on as well, just to have that. Careful. Right, press start. Done. Right, that'll beep in 3 minutes. That pan is now warm, so I'm going to take that out. Take this out. Put it on there. I lost the little metal thing. I haven't lost it, I know it's somewhere, but I can't find it right now. So I'm just going to make sure that's on low in the Koda 12. Okay, I'm just going to check it. I am going to flip it. Says it's done, but it's not done because I've got to add some vegetables and things, potatoes and carrots. Put these in. Okay, I'm gonna start it again. Start. They're looking good in there. I'm going to give them 1 more minute, and then I'm going to put some potatoes and carrots in there. Quickly flip. Flip those. Oh, that looks so good. I'm just going to add some potatoes, carrots. Right, let's put these back in. But at least I can do it with the glove. Oops, there we are. Put that back in. Oh, that lovely wood fire cook in there. Check on it. That looks good. Just give it a bit more time. Bit more. I'll just give it 2 more minutes. And if you're wondering why I've got it so far to the front, if I pushed it further up, I won't be able to get my hand in for the glove. And it's actually cooking at a nice pace in there, further away from the flame. It's still getting the heat. Because this one's done. Ooh, see all that wood fire smoke. Right, I think these are done now. So I've also got to take out now the Koda 12. So I'm just going to turn off the... Oh, blimey, the handle's just come off my Koda 12. Oh my gosh, and I can't put it back on. Oh, hang on, I can. Done it. That was a panic. That was loud. Right. Turn it off. Stop. Stop. Off. End. Okay, let's get this over here. So that's the Ninja and that's the Koda 12. Look at that. That's beautifully cooked. And these potatoes, look. Oh, look how that's cooked the potatoes and the juices of the lamb. Maybe I should have put the lamb down. I guess this is probably the healthier option, and this isn't because it's cooked in the lamb juices. Just so I can taste test my lamb. So I don't forget, that's the Ninja with the 3 potatoes, and that's the lamb with the 2 potatoes. Ninja. I just want to add that the flavour of Welsh Lamb is so strong. You do not need to put any other flavourings on it. It's strongly flavoured. So if you love lamb, this lamb is really tasty. And I don't like to infuse it with anything else because it's so good. Maybe some mint. Try that bit. I can taste the smoke. But subtly. I like that. I can really taste the wood-fired on that. Impressive. I wasn't going to expect that, but it did. On a bit of my potatoes, just slightly. Check my carrot. Yeah, slight wood-fire taste. I can smell the wood, taste the wood fire. You don't have to have the wood fire option, but that really is nice. I would recommend the wood fire option with the Ninja. Cooked it beautifully. Everything's really nice. Very nice. Go to 12. Cooked it beautifully. Really nice. Try that bit. Oh yeah, that's like a jacket potato in a fire. That taste. Oh my god, that's so good. Both these ovens cook these very nicely. Very tasty. There's not much in it. If you're wondering where all the little bits of fat have gone, there was a little friend helper who knew there was something here for him. How are you, Kai? Are you okay? I'm going to say that the meat is cooked the same. Both are wonderful. I would highly recommend cooking lamb chops in either of these ovens. But what I really didn't expect, which I really liked, was the flavour of the wood fire. Only slightly, but it's slightly there. Just gives that little extra special something that makes it a bit more makes it more like you're cooking on a wood-fired oven as well outside. So that gives it like that nice, I'm cooking on a wood-fired oven taste, and this one is cooked like roast, which is also lovely. So it depends on your preferences. If you want a wood fire cook, that wood fire pellet thing is not a gimmick. It is real, it works, and it does flavour your meat as long as it's in there for long enough, which is at least 5 to 7 minutes. I've never noticed it do it to my pizza, but it does do it to the meat. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. And Kai says, thanks for watching too. Thanks for your support. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.